This is a review of the VanTrue N4 Triple Dash camera. It includes 3 cameras. First camera records the front, second camera records the rear, and third camera records the inside of the vehicle. The inside camera is great for ride-sharing drivers such as Uber and Lyft. The internal camera also has night vision LEDs, which will make recording passengers much easier. It's also great for recording the size of the car. The video quality is fantastic. I don't mean okay, I don't mean good, it's fantastic. There are multiple quality settings to choose from. In terms of storage, I got the 256GB card because I plan on having it record in part mode. So I want to be able to check the stored content after a night of being parked. Additionally, I'm using the highest resolution for the best quality video. The camera uses a super capacitor instead of a LiPo battery, and in the long term it's better because LiPo batteries will start to degrade due to extreme heat and extreme cold conditions. The main reason I got this camera is because I want to record the car's surrounding and to catch if someone hits or scratches the car while I'm away. Inside the box there's a well-written manual with easy to follow instructions. I didn't read them too much since everything is pretty self-explanatory. That said, the instructions and pictures are intuitive and easy to follow. The camera came with a 12-volt charger, camera, rear camera, and cable, USB cable, and window mount. The top of the camera has 5 large buttons for menu navigation. The side has a microSD card slot, an input for the rear camera, which also doubles as a way to get video off the microSD card, a reset button, and an HD out. The inside facing camera can be rotated up and down. The rear camera also rotates up and down to get a better viewing angle of the outside. The rear camera comes with a long cable. I had no problems getting the cable all the way from the rear to the front of my car. The dash has a really nice turning feature to apply the suction to the window. Overall, it's super easy to get up and going. The menu system is very intuitive. Now for some driving demo. I did not post the inside of the camera footage for privacy concerns, but it easily captures from the top of the ceiling to the seat, and the angle is wide enough to capture the full cabin and size of the vehicle.